Hi again, it's Mark Forbes with Altium, and I've talked to a lot of OrCAD users about their switch over to Altium Designer and how that's working out for them. And one of the things that literally blows their minds is our ActiveBOM library management and parts search capability. You can literally search thousands of manufacturers to find parts. Let me show you how it works. Altium Designer includes robust in-application capability to help designers find, select, and use electronic parts. Integrated BOM management is also included. Manufacturer part search capability provides you with a convenient way to search the global supply of electronics parts without ever leaving Altium Designer. Designers can perform all aspects of component research and selection within the design context, where the information is most relevant and actionable. Parts can be completely vetted for technical fit, cost, stock, life cycle, and much more. Many parts include symbols and footprints that can be placed directly into the design or downloaded along with full component data into your local component library. In the Components panel, you parametrically select and place components from your library. You can also identify components already being used in your organization's projects so that you can leverage known performance, quality, and existing supplier relationships. All component information is displayed in a compact view within the design environment, including parametric data, 2D and 3D views, as well as real-time cost and availability from the world's leading electronic component distributors. Altium's ActiveBOM capability rapidly organizes all components in your design into a formatted BOM, along with a real-time snapshot of availability, cost, lifecycle alerts, and alternatives. Custom entries can be made for non-electronic parts and NRE line items such as heatsink compound or tooling. Components can be cross-probed from the BOM to the design as you need. BOM cost will update as build quantity is changed to provide designers valuable financial insight as you design. The BOM can be formatted into a variety of saved views for different collaborators, output in a variety of formats, and embedded into downstream documentation as you need. Finding new parts, leveraging your existing library, and regular monitoring of your BOM throughout the design cycle can insulate teams from the types of problems that result in manufacturing delay and costly redesign. You don't need to leave the design environment. Simply access this capability from within Altium Designer's unified environment. All suppliers, all manufacturers, all component types, one unified environment. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like to try Altium Designer yourself, click on the download link on our webpage.